guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. In today's video, I'll be sharing a very beautiful gift and I'll unbox it and show you what's inside. So this is one of the most trendy gifts for women. Forever Roses. This is the box. Look at this, it's huge. This is Rose Forever New York. They're handmade in New York. And look at this box, it's velvet, it's black, looks very luxurious. So it's huge, yeah, as you can see. So when I open it, oh my god, oh, it's so beautiful. Look at this color. Oh my god, these are the roses. This is pearly pink. I picked this color because it's one of my favorite colors, and I think it fits my the color palette of my home, and it will go into my closet as a showpiece. What do you guys think? I mean, the holiday season is approaching. Like, a lot of you guys are probably shopping holiday gifts already. I think this will be a perfect gift for any women or guys who love roses. They will remind your friends or families that you love them, like every day when they see this box, and it's just gorgeous. This brand, Rose Forever New York, they make different packages, and this is the black velvet. They also have the pink one and the crystal one. They also have like a very cute mini rose, just like one rose in the box. It's so cute. You can go ahead and check out this website. In the description down below, I link their products, and they have different colors of roses. These are like more traditional, like the pink one, the red one, white, or like hot pink. I mean, these are like more traditional, more like real rose colors, but they also have like something very creative, like the dark colors and gold or gray, you know. They're perfect for someone who's like more edgy or have some like big personalities. They want something like really different, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. I mean, their price, I think they're like reasonable, as you can expect from a luxury Forever Rose brand. I personally like this brand like a lot because the package, the quality, and they smell and touch, everything is like real rose, and the customer service is great. I'm like a little bit biased because oh my god, I'm a big rose person, and this box will go to my closet as like a grand showpiece. Sitting there, like, just remind myself like self-love, beautiful life, you know. I think this square box is one of their largest sizes. They have like different sizes, like a small one, mini one, and the medium ones. They also have like a round, different shapes. You guys can find like all different options on their website, and on their website you can find the different colors of roses. These are like more traditional, the pink, white, like hot pink, red roses, or orange. But they also have like the blue one, I think dark colors, and the gold, like silver-ish metallic colors. They're like very edgy, very fashionable, and they're perfect for someone who's more edgy and have like a different personality. And I mean, you can definitely find something that's perfect for yourself or your friends or families. I mean, holiday season is approaching, like everybody is trying to figure out what to gift. I mean, this will be perfect for anyone who likes rose, who likes flower, or who has a passion for home decoration. I mean, who doesn't love a beautiful showcase like this? And they will last for up to 1 year, and they will smell like this, just like light up your mood every day in your room. I think this brand has the best options, and the price is pretty reasonable. You guys can definitely go ahead and check it out for yourself. And they're made in New York. So it's a luxurious gift for women and anyone who likes roses. I just can't wait to show you how this boxes of rose looks like in my closet. Actually, it's my office closet, And when I'm doing like the zoom, like people can see this box in the background with my designer bags and then my other like fashion items. It'll be like very stylish, very beautiful. Definitely I highly recommend this print if you like home decoration or like rose or want to give someone. Definitely go ahead and check it out at Rose Forever New York. I link their products down below in the description. If you use my code Chris15, you can get $15 off on your own purchase. Compared with fresh roses, a pack like nicely arranged Forever roses like this look more luxurious, and they're more versatile, and they're pretty like lightweight and easy to decorate, to be placed in anywhere that's like moisture sensitive. So it's easy to manage, it's easy to use, and it looks more beautiful, more luxurious to me. And they also have like the beautiful smell of real roses. I mean, they're real, they're made of real roses, so that's why it's like you have this touch of real rose in your room, but you don't have to worry about like I would need to change water. They last for only like 5 to 7 days. You know, they're like very moisturizing, so I just can't put like the fresh rose in my closet because most of the items, they don't like moisture in the room. Definitely for the closet, I would highly recommend using Forever Rose like this, and they will look beautiful and up your style like a lot. And just let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments about this brand, about this product, just let me know. Use the comment box down below, and don't miss out the discount code Chris15. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.